Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to paint a glowing sun in the city. Here are the materials required. The colors which I have chose for the paintings are Naples yellow, medium yellow, orange and ponzo. Starting with Naples yellow, I gradually make a transition to medium yellow, then orange color and finally ponzo to create a glowing sun effect. Take your own time in blending the background. Here is the pro tip for blending. Always make sure to blend the colors seamlessly before the previous layer dries, so that you will get a smooth gradient effect. As acrylics are fast drying medium, you have to make the process really quick before the paint dries. Only then you will be getting the seamless blending background. Also, let me know if you guys would like to see more of such voiceover videos. If yes, comment down the topics which you would like to see in my upcoming videos in the comment section. So now we are done with the background. So once the background is dry, we paint the sun using Naples yellow mixed with white, then softly blending the edges to enhance the glow, and also adding the sun with some white. Moving on to the buildings, I am using a mix of black and burnt sienna to sketch crisp outlines of the buildings and shading them with a round brush for depth. I am adding more of such buildings to add the illusion of cityscape. Now, to capture the sun's glow around the building edges, I outline the buildings with some orange color. Also make sure to blend the orange color with the black color so that it will give some blurry effect and also make an illusion of glowing sun. For added details, I create random bushes with loose strokes and enhance the scene with glowing leaves around the sun using orange color. I have used size 0 brush here to make the leaves look so crisp and fine. Also add little bit of burnt sienna to the leaves to make it look realistic. Lastly, I am adding few silhouetted birds to complete the composition. Here we go. This is the final outcome. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.